welcome. My name is Claudia Michon, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Automation Anywhere, the most advanced intelligent automation platform. First, let's start with our vision, to fuel the future of work by unleashing human potential. And we believe that there is a better way to work. And to get there, we're hyper-focused on our mission to help every company succeed with automation and AI and empower people to focus on what they do best, collaborate, create, and grow businesses. In helping to deliver on this goal, we have a proven track record of 20 years of innovation and are recognized as a leader by Gartner, Forrester, and IDC. Earlier this year, we reached a major milestone, over 150 million automation runs in the cloud. But even more important to us than innovation and leadership is our customer success. And we have 5,000 global customers from across the most demanding industries that choose to transform with Automation Anywhere and have given us the highest ratings for any automation vendor on both G2 Crowd and Gartner Peer Insights. And to top it off, we have 2,700 global partners that wake up every single day working to make our customers successful. And companies turn to us to help them solve one of the biggest problems facing business today, the global productivity crisis. We have a 3% decline in the working age population globally, and labor participation in the US alone has declined 4% since its peak in 1998, and that means fewer people to do the work. And because of that, we're seeing productivity growth slow, and we are about to step over a productivity cliff. And this is going to be a huge challenge for every single company to overcome as they are trying to figure out how to remain competitive. Now, to mitigate this crisis, 80% of today's companies are turning to automation and AI to help overcome these challenges and transform their operating models. To help you do more with less as you navigate rising cost pressures due to inflation or unforeseen business disruptions. To help gain efficiencies across the board to create better customer and employee experiences. And to navigate an exploding landscape of applications that can make business agility incredibly difficult. Think about this. The average enterprise has over 900 business applications, often working in disconnected silos. How do you manage processes across all of those, let alone get the gains promised by these vendors? Well, to make that happen, there are some barriers to overcome as you have this very complicated tech landscape across your organization. Your teams work in the interaction layer in their collaboration apps like GChat and Google Workspace, and that's where they like to stay. And at the bottom of the stack are your systems of record that house and manage all of your enterprise data that can be disconnected across teams, business units, and functions. And at the center of all of this is your automation and AI layer. This is a layer of action connecting the two, and in many organizations is comprised of so many disparate parts that somehow need to work in harmony. Process discovery allows you to understand what processes are actually taking place. RPA allows you to run bots across any application. APIs enable integration of modern applications. Document processing unlocks data from a variety of different content types. And the right governance controls ensure the right people are using approved applications and touching only the data needed to get work done. To ensure these actions are happening in the right place at the right time, you have process orchestration. And finally, AI is able to ingest large amounts of data, map human interactions, create insights, and transform those into commands, helping to drive automation at scale. True enterprise-grade automation requires all of this to work together. And that's why we have simplified this complex ecosystem of tools into a single AI-powered system of work that can orchestrate all of these processes in the most seamless way possible with governance and security and deliver this on a unified platform. This is the Automation Success Platform, helping you accelerate your enterprise and responsibly delivered AI-powered automation across every team, system, and process. This is your key to unlocking growth, cost savings, and increased innovation to get ahead of your competition. First, it's connected and complete so that you can quickly deploy on a unified platform that delivers automation and AI across all of your systems and applications with a human in the loop. Second, it's open and flexible. When you build on our open and extensible platform, you can automate across and integrate with any application that your processes and people touch. And finally, it's trusted for scale. You can confidently expand your program with built-in security, governance, and best practices, keeping your company and customer data safe across every automation. Joint customers of Automation Anywhere and Google Cloud are completely transforming their company's operating models with our technologies. TELUS has adopted the Automation Success Platform on Google Cloud as part of a massive technology modernization initiative. They were able to quickly build and deploy on our cloud-native platform and enjoy reliable 99.999% uptime. KeyBank has automated over 288 processes across their organization and have added incremental capacity that is equivalent to 500 full-time employees. On top of those productivity gains, they've improved the overall quality and integrity of their data and increased customer satisfaction across the board as a result of improved service levels. Granite Telecommunications is saving $635,000 a month and 15,000 employee hours that they were able to reinvest back into their business. And in just 9 months, they've set up over 80 automations and continue to expand their automation program. What these organizations understand is that silos of automation can hold an enterprise back from scaling to the levels needed for true business transformation. This is because while companies already have a variety of automation tools in their stack, and while they each serve a purpose, they are all disconnected and incomplete. Your business applications have automation built in. These are SAPs and Salesforces and Workdays of the world, and according to our research, in an average day, your employees use 8 applications very frequently and a total of 18 applications to accomplish their work. Your employees spend about 15% of their time in primary applications, but 35% or more in other applications to do their jobs. Next, you have an arsenal of APIs that connect actions between systems. They're great for handling high-volume real-time transactions, but there are many systems in every company that APIs just won't work for. And finally, traditional RPA, the UI automations that are fast and easy to build. This was the genesis of Automation Anywhere, and we started there because we saw an opportunity and needed to connect every system. But most RPA tools are still built for hidden processes that happen without human engagement. These are all great and important technologies, but how do you ensure they're all connected to your business teams and your transformation goals? We have brought all of this together on the Automation Success Platform to ensure that you have everything you need across the automation lifecycle. Here's how the platform works for you. Our investment and approach to develop a complete, intelligent, open, and connected platform compared to a series of standalone apps was designed for several reasons. To scale automation faster, to receive a faster time to value, to make it easier to reach more people, and to help you get more from existing apps and investments. First, you have to discover the most salient automation opportunities. You can crowdsource from your teams and collect and organize ideas from leaders who want support with automation. And you can use AI to understand your organization and processes, helping you create a map for automation. Next is automation. You can start building them and connecting your APIs, RPA bots, document automation, and your apps into a single orchestrated process, and then deliver that into the hands and apps of every team with Automation Copilot. Now your employees can access and interact with automation right in the flow of their work, whether they're reviewing an exception or kicking off a process, whether they want to work in Salesforce or GChat, Genesys or Gmail. And finally, you need to govern and scale by tracking performance and analytics to determine ROI of your programs to support and grow your citizen development organization as new needs arise. And of course, our Automation Pathfinder program has best practice powered blueprints for continued evolution, from the first bot to your 1,000th process and beyond. One of the most important differentiators for our platform is AI, and in particular, generative AI. We're putting it to work across the Automation Success Platform. Our responsible AI layer includes specialized AI models for process discovery and document automation, as well as generative AI, including our generative AI models trained on over 150 million automations fueled with anonymized metadata tuned to support work. This is in addition to integrations with best-of-breed LLM vendors, including Google Cloud. Now, let's go deep and unpack the Automation Success Platform. First up is discovery and prioritization of automation opportunities. We help you map every business process, understand what to automate, and see projected ROI for efficient prioritization. Process discovery allows you to harness the power of AI to quickly map processes across every system and activity. To supplement the AI-powered capture of process data, you can also crowdsource automation ideas with COE Manager. You can enable business users, the individuals who know the processes best, to submit automation ideas to accelerate pipeline generation from the most knowledgeable sources. And also with COE Manager, you can track automation program data, set targets, track progress, and manage your pipeline from idea through to delivery to value realization. After discovery is automation. Your teams can use pro-code and low-code tools to build automation. And now they can go even faster by using generative AI to quickly build transformative automations using natural language prompts across any system, process, and team. RPA is the technology that Automation Anywhere was built on, and for good reason. It's what teams rely on to quickly create software robots or bots that mimic human actions across any system, cloud or on-prem, allowing companies to offload repetitive tasks and free up human time. If you have an API-first strategy, you can take that investment even further with pre-built packages for business applications and integrations, APIs, and integrations with leading iPaaS vendors, including Google Apigee. Next up is Process Composer, your one-stop shop for creating and orchestrating processes, all with low-code drag-and-drop tools. You can stitch together a series of automated tasks like RPA bots, APIs, and forms to create complex end-to-end workflows with humans in the loop. And next, with Automation Copilot, you can empower everyone from professional developers to business users to use generative AI to transform conversation into automation and create automations at least 55% faster. And we're really excited about the next generation of automation development, and it's here today with Autopilot, our newest feature that brings together your business and automation teams to rapidly discover, prioritize, and quickly build automations with the power of generative AI. We have automated the handoffs between your business analysts, automation leaders, admins, and developers. Process design documents are quickly assessed for ROI, prioritized, and then translated into prompts that are fed into Automation Copilot to create automated processes. From there, it's a matter of configuration and testing before sending live. This new feature takes automation development from months to minutes. Once your automations are developed, it's time to put them into the hands of your business teams to accelerate their productivity. Empower business users with an on-demand AI-powered assistant embedded into the flow of work. First is Automation Copilot for business users. Our unique Copilot allows you to turbocharge team productivity with an automation assistant embedded into any web application through Google Chrome, where your teams are already working. Automation Copilot can action any generative AI use case across any system, from creating and summarizing content to sending emails and providing recommendations. Our intelligent document processing solution, Document Automation, has also been given a boost by generative AI. Now you can process any document type and quickly read, understand, classify, and extract data from documents and add that data right inside of your workflows already in action. And do this all at scale. And to get you started fast, we have launched a set of generative AI quick start solutions for customer service, employee assistance, and complex document processing, all developed with automation expertise. Finally, and most importantly, we help you confidently govern and scale across your enterprise with built-in security, measurement, and controls to future-proof your automation program. We give you the flexibility and trust to rapidly scale across your entire business as demand spikes and new needs arise. COE Manager gives you the ability to track, measure, and report out on automation ROI across your entire automation program, all in real time. Citizen development tools and capabilities allow business teams to build automation with generative AI-powered assistance, as well as drag-and-drop process development tools. Platform security is built in, safeguarding your sensitive data, ensuring compliance with SOC 1 Type 2, SOC 2 Type 2, ISO, and high-trust certifications for your peace of mind. And AI tools and governance enable you to securely scale the integrations of the latest AI models and LLMs into your automations with built-in model selection, testing, prompt optimization, data privacy controls, and monitoring and audit. The Automation Success Platform is available today on the Google Cloud Marketplace, and we support private offers, so please reach out to your Google Cloud rep and get started on your journey putting AI to work with automation. Thank you for joining me today. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to working with you.